Hello, my name is Tanner Browning. I'm presenting on the sport of korfball, which is a Dutch sport that revolutionized the sport of netball, basketball, and volleyball all into one. The country it was invented in was the Netherlands in 1902 by a school teacher named Nico Broekhuizen, who invented the sport after being tasked to go to a conference that taught gymnastics to children. He wanted to make a game instead and invented the sport of korfball based on the old Dutch sport of ringball. Instead of having it just be a simple task of shooting a ball through a hoop, though, he made it a team game with 4 female players and 4 male players on each team. At the time, this was very controversial. However, today it's played in 69 countries all over the world and has been played annually since 1985. The objectives and rules of the game are that there's a court with one pole. Also, it can also be played with 2 poles, but both of them are 3.5 meters high with a basket at the top. Each team has 4 female players and 4 male players, and the objective of the game is to shoot your ball through your opponent's hoop. You cannot run with the ball, you must pass it, and you cannot step inside the zone, the defending zone, with their basket in it. So this is what a court would look like in regulation. Basically what I learned from this game is that it's a great way to take the muscular dominance out of a sport such as that can happen in basketball or football or other sports, because you can't move with the ball. You have to pass it and you have to shoot it. It's a skill-based game, and it's a great PE activity that includes both your female and male students. Thank you.